You don't gotta go to work, 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 but you gotta put in work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, work, work.
Yeah, I love you guys all so much, and the sun decided to pop out right now. Hey guys, what is up? Ikram here. I'm sorry guys, I've been away for a while. It's just, I've been dealing with school and studies and all that stuff, but now I'm back, and today's video is going to be a DIY Instagram / Brandy Melville clothing items. So yeah, I worked so hard on the editing on this video, so make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you end up liking it. And yeah, these clothing items are really super easy to make and really inexpensive, so if you guys want to see how to make some awesome clothing that is absolutely Instagram worthy, then just keep on watching. So for the first item, which is the alien shirt, you guys are going to need a random shirt from your closet, and then I am just marking here where I want my little alien patch to sit, and then I'm also placing a book inside my shirt so that none of the paint I'm going to be using later on actually transfers in the back side of my shirt. After that, we're going to be taking some black and white fabric paint, some fabric medium if you guys are going to be using acrylic paint, a sponge, and an eyeliner brush. The eyeliner brush doesn't really work that well, so I would definitely recommend you guys use the sponge. So to actually make the template, you're just going to take a little cardstock paper and then just sort of sketch on your little alien figure. Now I'm just creating the eyes and finally the outline. If you guys don't know how to draw, I definitely recommend printing this off on cardstock paper because it does not get soggy as like normal paper does. So yeah, I would definitely recommend using cardstock paper. Then just use your X-Acto knife and be really careful, and then cut your whole template, and you should be left with 3 pieces. Now it's time to actually apply all of this to our shirt. So I'm just taking the bigger piece, which is the bigger outline, and I am just taping that on with some sticky tape. And then I am just applying some white paint as a base, and try to use a stippling motion because that really gives the best results. And then after it's all dry, just take your second piece of the template, which is the head of the alien, and then just place that in the middle of your base. And then I'm just taking some black paint and sponging that on. And then when you're done, just peel everything off and make sure you do this step before the paint is fully dry. And that's it, you're done. And yes, I am absolutely snacking right now. Never mind, now for the crisscross tank top that you can totally do on a bralette or whatever. You're gonna need a tank top, mine is from Forever 21, and then you're gonna need some elastic string. So just measure out how much of the elastic string you guys are gonna need, and then just cut it out. So you're going to be left with 2 pieces for the front and 2 pieces for the side. Next, just spin everything in place in case you guys are going to use a sewing machine. If not, just use your hot glue gun and it will just secure everything in place. But for me, I personally prefer to use a sewing machine because that's what I have. So yeah, just do some simple stitches on there. You guys can also use a needle and thread. It's going to be really easy. It's not going to take you guys a long time because there's such a little amount of fabric you guys need to secure. So yeah, you can definitely do that. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below because that really cheers me up. And yeah, I also have Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram and all that social media fancy stuff. So I will have my links in the description box down below as well as somewhere here on the screen. Yes. So make sure you go follow me there. And yeah, I love you guys all so much, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!